Christ in me. The night is dark, but I am not forsaken, for by my side the Savior